Good morning everyone. So for today's video, we are here in Boracay.
We are so excited. So I can subong weekend.
So I hope that Judeline, will gonna enjoy this a little surprise. Are you excited to eat?
Yes, masyado.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer.
So we just arrived at Mangas Port exactly 12 midnight, and now we will be traveling to Caticlan Port. Bumotor lang kami from here to Caticlan Port. From Caticlan Port to Boracay Island. So let's go.
Hello everyone. We are here in Malay, Aklan.
Vlog takeover.
With my two bags.
Nakanami sa tubig ng puti-puti na nadaan.
We are so excited. We are still fresh.
Uy, nakapoy na kuya. Natuyo na kuya as in.
Fresh pa po sa kanya 5 hours nga travel from Cabatcalan to Boracay. Gasto naman 600 because we 593 no sa Bacan Port, dari sa port to Boracay, and from Bacolod motorcycle 500 plus.
Good morning everyone. So for today's video, we are here in Boracay. Wait, 1, 2, 3, go.
Walking na kayo sa mo. Kaya nga mo niya dala, so wala pa siya na bili. Pero may ita na kami na niya sa amon niya. Hinaka namin niya sa pa.
Hindi, ano king.
Hey guys, we're back here.
So after namin mag-hibernate and mag-work, so we decided na lakad-lakad, and it's already 1 p.m. So sobrang init here sa Boracay. And then we don't know kung saan kami pupunta.
Hi! Okay. So, hello guys, sa may pangalan na Boracay, June 11.
Hey!
Hey! Oh, ito na kami! And picture.
Magpahinga, pakidamlag.
Init.
Okay guys, so
We're heading to Jasper's restaurant, or
we're heading to Jasper.
Yeah, my restaurant. Sir, party boat, sir.
Gusto niyo mag-party boat? 650 lang. Ako na bahala sa inyo. Sakay lang mas.
Paragliding, sir.
Paragliding? Hindi ko. Nakulbaan ko.
Surfboard, sir.
Surfboard? Hindi load lang surf. Hindi ko pa maglangoy.
Babae na lang, sir.
Ha? Hindi.
Another day, another break in the promise was always a pattern of mine. It's the way that I learned that the game it was only a matter of time. And I pray.
We in Boracay, Joey B. And we are now going to Chowking, oh. So, let's see.
So, we're done eating our lunch. So, supposedly, pupunta kami ng Jasper restaurant. But, due to very heat and pagod din kami, low energy, might be later for dinner. So, let's see if kaya ng time namin. So, puros kain na kami ang pahinga because of a long travel earlier. So now we are in Balabag Wet Park and we're near to Balabag Island. So let's go!
Another day, another break.
Alright, so we are already here in Balabag Island and we are heading to their famous niyog or coconut tree. Mapapicture lang kami doon and then babalik kami ulit sa station 2.
Say one thing I mean. I swear it's over the best. Cut all the toxic people telling me to give it a rest. Not too sensitive, you just don't have a heart. But I continue to enter the ring.
This is how it looks in Boracay during afternoon. So, medyo madaming tao dahil hindi na mainit.
We lose more fats today, but we eat a lot. 3 rice.
Di ni maga na? Up! Go! Ganun pa! Ganun pa! Andray! Hindi lang. Ganun pa. Dali! Kaya! Lang. Go! Go pa doon. Go pa doon. Kaya? Kabudlay mo na di mo nga po. Nung masakit na sa tuhod ya. Uy! Latag-lagali nung. I'm heading to the beachfront. Inquire for something that we are actually preparing for tomorrow. Actually guys, we have a different plans and a reason. We came here not to just have fun, but you will know sooner. I already inquired 3 resto and 1 is bar. Just wanted to surprise Judeline that we are also here in Boracay because supposedly our plan is to go here by December. Napaaga lang siya. It's because Judeline has the other plan, which is kasama niya yung mga workmates niya. Naisip din ni ng Paeng. Pumunta din kami para sasabay din kami mag-Boracay tatlo. Just like what we did in Lakawan. You will know later or you will know on the next clip kung ano yung mga gagawin ng Paeng. Actually, sa totoo lang hindi ko talaga alam yung ganito, yung mga surprise. Being a supportive friend for the both of them. So I'm just here. I just wanted to help and to make it, successful. I hope that Judeline, will gonna enjoy this a little surprise for her.
So, I can subong weekend.
So Good morning, everyone. So now I'm heading to Jasper, Kapsalugan. I'm all alone because anong paing sa work, and dito ako dumaan. It's because Judeline is already here in Bora. Para hindi kayo makita and hindi niya malaman na we're here in Boracay. Ninong paing. Umulan pala kanina. So, we didn't know because we have work. So, tinapos ko lang yung work ko. And nung paing is still our room. Dahil tinatapos yun din yung exam niya for his work. So, hi everyone. So, I'm here at Jasper. So, nag-order na ako ng food. Taste kung masarap pa yung food nila. Let's go. So, pabalik na ako ng hotel. And busog-busog ako sa kinain ko sa Jasper's restaurant. And I'm also bringing take out for ng paing. So this is burger, steak, and chop suey. So let's go para magawa na din namin yung mga plans namin for today. So bye. So see you later, guys. After a few hours of hibernate,
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free to roam.
hello, because
Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no.
wala siyang flower doon. Ay, no. Pakawang yung bulak, guys. So after namin nagbuy ng flowers, sobrang tahimik namin ng Ninong Paeng. Dahil siya kinakabahan na lang kasi a few hours na may pa-surprise na siya. And ako naman, tahimik din ako kasi nare-reserve ko yung energy ko. Because we change our plans. Sinabi ko doon kay Judy, may message ako ng friend ko na galing sa ibang bansa and now nandito siya sa Bora. May ticket na daw ako, flight ko na daw 12 noon. So, thanks a lot to Pat. So, shout out sa iyo, Pat. Nag-call lang ako kay Pat na kagabi because, you know, this is our backup plan. But ito yung naging final plan for later. So, it means that Judeline and I makikita sa beachfront later and magkukunwari na lang ako na this is my first day and ganito ganyan. I'm on my way papunta sa hotel nila ni Judeline. Ito lang ako dumaan sa beachfront. Wow, ang linaw ng camera ko kahit madilim. Ay, na it's already 7:11 p.m. So supposedly makikita kami ng 6:30. But you know, may mga ganap din siya. Sinusundo ko na si Judeline sa kanyang hotel and then papunta na kami sa isang island na pinuntahan namin kahapon. He doesn't know na may surprise kami sa kanya. So yeah, see you on the next guys. Bye bye. What's that like? So look who's here. Judeline is in the house.
Hello.
So wala na lang sinumpain sa amon. Diba? Sinumpain. Si Kihor. O diba? At Aki, mayaman na siya.
Talaka mo yun.
Mayaman ka mo. Kaya ako yung libre lang ko, be.
Ano all?
So, kamusta ang first day?
Okay lang kapag kapoy, sakit sa bundi. Ang
Kaya nag-land travel ka mo. So ako yung nag-airplane kaya be.
Sa challenge, sige.
Kasi nakakapaligo ka mo, tudo-tudo, subong.
Hindi manggit, hulom-hulom lang.
Ay to. Kaya ako wala pagid. So pag-abot ko nag-sleep, nag-nap ko danay. Kaya wala lang. Gusto ko lang magpahuway. Tapos ang first ko gid nga agenda is subong na dinner tajud. So excited ka na sa dinner.
O, mo take out ko.
Go lang kay fine dining. Ambot ko ka take out ka na kay
Take
fine
out na
dining.
iya.
Ambot lang. Kaya
Boy,
sige.
di na.
Nataon ta lang
Ay,
kung maka-take
syempre.
out ta. So
Take out na.
see you guys sa amon nga katuan yung resto. So hopefully hindi kayo ma-shock. Kay ang dress, ang outfit check na rin dyan. Ang outfit ni Judeline. Go, ang outfit ni Judeline is pack atake.
Eme.
Ready mag-bar. Kaya ako yung outfit, yung nakasando lang ko. Short, na. Simple-simple lang. Do ka Kyle Ichari sa Siargao. Joke lang.
Another day, another break in the promise was always a pattern of mine. It's the way that I learned that the game it was only a matter of time. And I pray that I don't.
Now we are riding a trike. Trike ba tawag dito, sir? E-trike. So papunta kaming Bulabog to have dinner lang. Are you excited to eat?
Yes. Kung makakasyaga. Tuya ko kung nakakalibreg lang mo
Hindi nang kabalo to siya. Kaya mo na ganyan, ipakadto, yaman ko kaya pala. Di ang friend mo ganyan, makadto. Tapos ikaw hindi. Di kadto ka na lang, di kay Ari naman puti.
You pull me in, I can't look away. Nothing matters. It's a pattern.
Ari, sir.
Thank you.
Da lang. Ang balya, may i-check ko ta dami kung nadaro. Diba si Ari, di sa lablas siya may ano dayon? Beach, so. Let's go. Ano, ta dami ko.
Kanool ba?
Ano? Amo na gorilla nga na dayay. Amo na gorilla nga. Tawag ni gani.
Wow, ito sa ano?
Aral, latawa dahil.
Ano sila? Ano?
Ano? Ibig ko sa inyo.
Masiguro ka. Amalis akong siguro ka.
Hello, luluwa ko sa inyo, promise. Oo, picture ka ba na rin? Wait lang, tap mo ako lang luwa. Doon kami, kagapon. Kagahon, ari na kami sa kagapon.
Sa net ka familiar sa wallet yung Zoom ko. Ako kasi mo na wallet. Kay sa bambal mo.
Dahil... Actually, no, gin-reserve ko ginang ako nga energy. Mabinutig ko.
No, nasaksak mo na.
Yung mangkot ko siya tapos ginasaksak ko na.
Gani. Congratulations. Pero ang reaction ko kagina doon kasal na ka mo. Nakal ba ang ka magaling dahil? Parang shock din eh dahil.
It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor.
Yung first of all, Happy Mascara Festival! I'm all I'm trying to libot-libot.
The main floor. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down.
Naka-vlog ako.